I am in 12th standard. I will teach you accounts. Today I will teach you the sums of analysis of financial statement. Thank you. These are the questions. First I am starting with current This is the first question. A company has following current asset, current liabilities. Debtor 60,000, creditors 30,000, bills payable 20,000, stock 30,000, loose tools 10,000, bank overdraft 10,000, and we have to calculate current ratio. This is the first question. A company has following current asset and current liabilities. Debtor 60,000, creditor 30,000, bills payable 20,000, stock 30,000, loose tool 10,000, bank overdraft 10,000. We have to calculate current ratio. So let's start. So for formula of current ratio is current asset upon current liabilities. The amount of current asset and current liability is not given directly, so we have to calculate the amount first. Let's start question number 1. Current asset is equal to debtors plus stock plus loose tools. The value of debtors is 60,000. Value of stock is 30,000 and value of loose tool is 10,000. So the total value of current asset is 1 lakh. Therefore, current asset is equals to 1 lakh. Current liabilities is equals to creditors plus bills payable plus bank overdraft. Value of creditors is 30,000. Bills payable is valued at 20,000. And overdraft is 10,000. So total value is 60,000. Now we have to find current ratio. Current ratio is equals to current asset upon current liabilities. Current asset is valued 1 lakh and current liabilities is 60,000. 0 cut 25 and 23. So the current ratio is 5:3. Now in next question, that is this: current liabilities of company were 1,50,000 and its current ratio is 3:1. Find current asset. So here we have to now we will apply here current ratio is equals to current liabilities, current asset upon current liabilities. Three is to 1 is equals to 1,50,000 and a current asset. Question 2 says that we have the amount of current liabilities and current ratio is given. So we have to find current asset. Let's find it. Question 2. Current ratio equals to current asset upon current liabilities. Current ratio is 3:1. We have to find current asset, so we will keep the amount as X. Current liabilities is valued at 1,50,000. So we can write 3:1 like this: 3:1 equals to X upon 1,50,000. 1 into X and 3 into this. X is equals to 3 lakh into 1,50,000. So the amount of X is 4,50,000. So hence current asset is valued at 4,50,000. A 14th word or some awesome sir, and here we have got the amount for total asset, that is 2,20,000, fixed asset 1 lakh, capital employed 2 lakh, and there was no long term investment. So we have to calculate current ratio. So now we have to find current assets and current liabilities. Current assets is equals to total asset minus fixed asset. So fixed asset is 1 lakh and total assets is 2,20,000. So let's start this sum. And for current liabilities, we have to minus total assets from capital employed. Let's start. Question number 3. Current ratio current asset current liabilities. Current asset is equals to total asset minus fixed asset. (2,20,000) minus 1 lakh. So current asset is 1,20,000. Current liabilities is equals to total asset minus capital employed. Is equals to 2,20,000 minus 2 lakh is equals to 20,000. Current ratio is equals to 1,20,000 upon 20,000. This is cut 21s and 26s. So therefore current ratio is equals to 16:1. Now this is question 4. Working capital 50,000, current asset 60,000, stock 10,000, prepaid expense 4,000. So now we have to find current asset and current liabilities. Current asset is equals to working capital. We have to find quick asset and quick liabilities. Quick asset is equals to current asset minus stock minus prepaid expense. Let's start the sum. Quick asset is equals to current asset minus stock minus prepaid expense. Is equals to 60,000 minus 10,000 minus 4,000 is equals to 46,000. Quick liabilities is equals to current liabilities. We have to find now current liabilities. In this we will use the working capital formula, that is working capital is equals to current asset minus current liabilities. Here we have the amount for working capital, so that will be easy to find the current liabilities for us. $50,000 is equals to 60,000 minus x. X is equals to 60,000 minus 50,000. So quick liabilities is 10,000. Now we have to find the ratio. Quick ratio is equals to quick asset upon quick liabilities. Is equals to 46,000 upon 10,000. 0 0 cut 10 ones are 10, 4.6. So ratio is 4.6:1. Ratio is equals to